Admin LTE with Django. So this tutorial will show you how to use the Admin LTE template with Django, so you can build an application that looks like this. So this is the Admin LTE default demo site, and you can explore the LTE user interface. The user interface has many different tools, widgets, layout options, elements, etc. If we look in the elements, you can see that it has boxes, alerts. You can configure forms, you can configure your tables, you can configure elements that include drop-downs, pop-ups, etc. So the LTE framework is a very flexible framework that out of the box allows you to produce a great looking basic application that has all of the web elements that your users are going to expect. So let's talk through how to build this into a Django app. So first of all, we're going to create ourselves a Django app, and we will do that by initially creating ourselves a directory for Django, and you'll see that the directory starts blank.